The safety of Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers largely depend on their quality, fitting, and installation. If they are of low quality, improper fitted, or installed incorrectly, problems can arise while driving. So the wheel spacer installation must exactly match the wheel assembly and the ring hub holes. Step 1. Loosen the lug nuts and lift the vehicle. Place jack stands underneath for added safety. Step 2. Clean the wheel hub. Step 3. Place the bonus hub central wheel spacers to the hub. Good hub central wheel spacers are designed for the racetrack that need specific load requirements. Bonus Forge active cooling wheel spacers come with multi-stage hub central rings. The hub central metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers fit the corresponding hub spacers. Bonus has developed advanced active cooling wheel spacers that offer painted cooling grooves. The specially designed grooves allow air to flow through, helping to dissipate heat from the brakes. This improves braking performance and longevity. Bonus wheel spacers are made from high-grade aluminum alloy 6061T6 and 7075T6, ensuring lightweight durability and high load capacity. Bonus wheel spacers are CNC machined to 0.02mm accuracy, ensuring a perfect fit with hubs. Step 4. Reinstall the wheel. Put the wheel back onto the hub and secure it with the original lug nuts. Step 5. Tighten the nuts with a torque wrench. Step 6. Lower the vehicle and tighten the lug nuts again. Upgrading Tesla Model 3 with bonus wheel spacer is a smart way to improve both performance and aesthetics. With the right size selections and active cooling technology, you get enhanced stability, better heat dissipation, and a safer driving experience.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about the bonus wheel spacers, please leave your comment. See you in the next time. Bye bye.